Who doesn't love a good plant unboxing? I can't wait to show you what I have in here. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm FA and I'm growing over 100 plants in my New York City apartment, which I refer to fondly as my jungle, Monef's jungle. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 plants that I just ordered. I hadn't ordered plants in the longest time, and then a couple of weeks ago I got some tiny starter plants from the Green Escape, which was the first plant mail I've had in months, and it was so exciting unboxing them. And I think I've caught the bug again. So I have ordered 3 not so tiny plants, hopefully. I don't know what size they are, we'll see when I open them, but I was on Jasminello's page and she had these philodendrons from Ecuagenera USA. Now I haven't ordered from Ecuagenera US in a really long time. I think I've only ever got one plant from them, actually, to be honest. That was an Anthurium, Regale X Luxurians. It was a small specimen when they sent it, but it grew beautifully. It's just one of my favorite plants, so I have nothing but good things to say about my ordering experience from them so far. But that's the only plant I've ever ordered from them, so I thought I'd try these philodendrons. They have a few new philodendron hybrids, Spiritus Sancti hybrids, that I was hoping to try. I was looking to get my hands on a couple of them, but those sold out quick. I was only able to get one. The one I got, I hope it's nice. I'll show you when we open it. But then I ended up getting 2 other philodendrons, because why not? I haven't bought philodendrons in a long time. I'm always buying anthuriums. The last time I bought a philodendron was 2 weeks ago when I did this order. I bought a tiny Philodendron Majestic, and then I thought to myself, wow, it's been a long time since I brought a new philodendron into the jungle. And philodendrons do grow really well in my conditions. The other thing is, I think I'm so used to buying heart-shaped leaves, heart-shaped philodendrons, and I really want to start paying more attention to adding a variety of leaf shapes so that everything doesn't look the same to non-plant people. I mean, I shouldn't really care what they think, right? But I do. So I'm just trying to add a little bit of variety to the portion of my wall that is especially jungly, my mini fake green wall. I would like to add some variety of leaf shape there, which is why I got these. So yeah, let's get these opened. It's a really long box, so I'm hoping that means decent sized plants. They don't have to be massive, but I'd rather they were not like super teeny weeny. Then again, maybe smaller is better, so I can figure out how to incorporate them into the jungle. The other thing with these plants is there isn't really much information about any of these that I could find anywhere on the internet, so I'm not sure if I've ordered climbers or crawlers. If they're all climbers, then I'll have to make some moss poles, but that's a different video, I suppose. Today I'm just going to open them up, show you what I got. I like how they've stuck them with tape to the side of the box to prevent them from moving around. It's like a nice packing job, I have to say. Okay, got 3 plants. They're like packed properly in paper, so there's some good height on them. Let's see what's what. Don't know. Remember what I got. Let's get these bad boys open. So, starting with, let's start with this one. Open these from the top. Trying to be gentle. Leaves. One thing I'll say about ordering imports is because of the process that they put them through to get coming into the country, I've never once had a bug or a pest or anything funky on an import. On the other hand, when I buy plants just, from the US, and although I don't have to acclimate them, there's a much larger chance of pests. And in my house, that's kind of a problem because I'm sorry, I can't quarantine anything. I don't have space. Anyway, this is, let's say, Philodendron Amazon Spirit. Let's have a look. Whoop. 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 Look at this. Oh, this is pretty. First of all, this plant, Philodendron Amazon Spirit, is a hybrid of Philodendron Spiritus Sancti and Philodendron Patriciae. So Spiritus Sancti, which is the plant that was like a few years ago, was thousands and thousands of dollars and was impossible to find for a decent price. But then it went into tissue culture, which is basically a process that grows it from a bit of the plant, and then they became much more widely available. So that brought the price down quite a bit. I've heard, I don't have a Spiritus Sancti, so I don't know, but I've heard that Spiritus Sancti is quite a hardy plant. It's beautiful. They have these really long, dark green leaves. And then Philodendron Patriciae, which I also don't have, also has these like crazy beautiful long leaves, right? So a long boy, TM Kaylee Ellen. And I wonder what the hybrid of those is going to look like. So this is it. It's a baby, obviously. It's not, you know, it's quite a young plant. And it already has a long leaf. So I suspect, I don't know, but I suspect that it's going to be quite beautiful. Both Spiritus Sancti and Patriciae are climbers. So obviously this is going to climb. It will need a moss pole, but I'm hoping for some crazy long, insane leaves that I can have against all the heart-shaped leaves in here, and hopefully it will transform the look of the space. We'll see. So, Philodendron Amazon Spirit, I'm actually super happy with it. I didn't know what it would look like when I ordered it, but so far so good. I'm pretty impressed. And then the next one, I'm opening. I should probably open it from the bottom so I can see the name first. It's like packed super tightly, or I'm just terrible at opening. I think I'm just really bad at opening the packaging from all these plants because I always have difficulty getting it off. Okay, Philodendron Paloraense CF. Whoa, here she is. Philodendron Paloraense CF. I bought this one because of the leaf shape. Look, they look like, I don't know, they've got like a fingers-ish vibe to them. It's obviously a climber. Look at it, it's already climbing up nothing. So this is also going to need a moss pole. That answers that question for me, which is nice to know. But anyway, Philodendron Paloraense. This is a good sized plant. I don't know that I was expecting it to be this size, this big. So I'm quite happy with this. It looks to be in good shape. No obvious problems. I'm going to check it for pests and all that, of course. Philodendron Paloraense. And then one more. Last but not least, I'm like such a terrible unboxer. I'm always showing the plant before I say the name, which is crazy, ruining the surprise. But anyway. This is Philodendron Asplundii. And this is another one with that leaf shape. Longer leaf shapes. Now, this one is the one that I have no idea if this plant is a climber or a crawler. If anyone knows and can tell me in the comments, I would really appreciate it because I couldn't find any information on it really. There's very little to go on the web when it comes to this guy. So if anyone knows if it's a climber or a crawler, I would appreciate that. It looks like a crawler. When I look at the size of this one compared to the others, it seems to be crawling, not climbing. even at its current size. So it looks like a crawler, but I'm not 100% certain. So I'll take any and all suggestions. I think, unless I find information suggesting otherwise, I don't think I'll put it on a moss pole to start with. I think I'll just pot it up or leave it in this pot that it came in and see how it does. If it starts to climb, then I can pull it. But for now, I think it's okay like this. Anyway, this is my haul. Everything came in beautifully. Not one yellow leaf in sight. Not one sign of any kind of damage. Philodendron Asplundii. Philodendron Paloraense. And Philodendron Amazon Spirit. And if you're not already subscribed, do hit the subscribe button if you want to see how these plants progress and how they grow in my care and how I incorporate them into the other, 100 plants that I have here in this apartment. Leave me a comment below if you have any of these plants, or even if you don't and you have any suggestions for how I might look after them. And thank you for being here. I'll see you next time.